Hi everybody, it's Crystal. I don't have a hat on. Do you guys notice that? Some people are always like, you shouldn't wear hats in your videos. So I'm not wearing a hat in this video. Anyways, so thank you for joining me. I always appreciate you talking yarn with me. I just wanted to do a little video here for my subscribers, and if you're new, thank you for I don't really like not wearing a hat, so hat's kind of my trademark. I gotta put one on here. I'm sorry, I tried, I gave it a go, but you know, it's just I'm Bagoday, I wear a hat. That's much better. I know people are gonna tell me how much better I look without a hat, right? I don't think so. So I'm much more comfortable with one. All right, let's begin. So hey, I gave it a go. For those who always tell me to not wear the hat, it's not me. I wear the hat. I even wear it during the summertime sometimes. I went somewhere today, and actually when I go places, I generally will wear a hat because it's my thing. Anyways, I just like them. Anyways, so I'm going to do a video. So thank you for joining me. I'll get back to, I wasted already a minute and a half of your time, and I'm sorry. So I want to get back to what this video is about. So if you are just joining me, thank you very much for joining me. I would appreciate it if you could subscribe. That would be super awesome, because we talk about anything and everything yarn and crochet related here. And if you're a returning friend of mine, I thank you for always coming back and talking yarn and watching my tutorials and whatever videos I put on. You know, that means so much to me. That's all that I ever asked for. And hit the like button if you enjoy. So I did a video, it might have been a month or so ago. I got an unsolicited box from Herrschners. Do you guys remember that? I'm going to show you again in case you didn't see that video. So I'm not affiliated nor sponsored by any yarn company. I choose not to be. I'm an independently run crochet channel. But, you know, from time to time, yarn companies will send me yarn. And hoping that I open it on camera. You know, now I don't open every yarn company's yarn on camera. It really depends on the yarn company and how much I like them. Well, this is from Herrschners. I like Herrschners a lot. I buy from Herrschners a lot. I've never had any problem from them, and they have always been very nice, customer service wise, and I just, you know, thoroughly enjoy Herrschner's website. And one day I hope to make one of their big warehouse sales they have in Wisconsin. Hopefully. It's pretty far away though from me. Well, it's like 6 hours, but to me that's pretty far drive. Okay, so but anyways, they sent me some yarn that at the time when I looked it up, and I finally realized they sent me yarn that they didn't have for sale yet. Wasn't quite sure why they sent it to me. You know, there was no letter or no note or anything. It just said happy mail for Bagoday Crochet. And it was the Herrschners worsted. It's a new line called Bohemian Romance. The only thing I can think of is maybe they watch my videos, which they probably do. And they know that I love Freddie Mercury, because generally he's in the background of my yarn room. Well, it's not like my yarn room. I don't even have very much yarn in it. He's in the background of my videos. I love Freddie Mercury a lot. He's my favorite singer, and I like the band Queen is my favorite band. You know, he sings Bohemian Rhapsody. Maybe that's why they sent it to me, or maybe they were just sending it to be nice. Anyways, at the time they didn't have it available. Well, now they do have it on their website, but it is back ordered until November. They have the whole palette, but I want to go ahead and show it to you and refresh your memory and talk to you about it a little bit. But don't go. You know, I always appreciate it if you watch my videos from start to finish. Okay, so I'm just going to tell you a little bit about it. It feels, if you've ever felt Herrschner's yarn, their worsted line, This is their worsted line. It's 8 ounces of 100% acrylic yarn. It's a medium weight number 4, and there's 489 yards here, so almost 500 yards. And it does have a, I think most of them do, a center pull, easy center pull. Yeah, it does. I see it in there, right there. So that's always nice. Now this says that it's a limited edition yarn, so it must be a limited edition color palette that they have going on. That's my dog Doug. He's a standard poodle, in case you didn't know. And he's brown, my favorite color. So if you've ever felt their worsted line, it feels a little bit softer than their regular worsted line, but not quite as soft as their heathered worsted line, if you know anything about Herrschners yarn. But if you don't, it's scarfable. Feels a little bit better than Red Heart Super Saver. You know, it's fine. I would make a hat out of it, a scarf out of it, a sweater out of it, and I would wear it. It wouldn't bother me, not at all. So let me go ahead and show you. They have 12 colors in their palette, and they're all very, very, very pretty. So this one is called Desert Sage, very appropriate name. And then we have this one. It feels fine. Yeah, I definitely make a sweater out of it. Smoky Mountain. I think it's a beautiful color palette. They do come out with some very nice color palettes. And this one is called Lace. It's appropriate. There's a few of them here that I really like a lot. Actually, I liked all the colors, but this one's called Forget Me Not. I like the flower. Forget Me Not. Very beautiful blue we got here. Sea salt. Nice. Purple. French lilac. Love it. Very pretty. Can't even find the front of it. There it is. Upside down too. So what do you know? I grab it upside down. Another beautiful, this is a teal blue, I would say. Peacock. It's very appropriate. Colors are showing up pretty well on my end. I guess it really kind of depends on what device you're looking at it on. So, this one is called Deep Woods, which I really, really like. And this one is called Peppercorn. Very nice charcoal color. Very nice. Okay, I got 3 more to show you, but before I show you the other 3, now remember there are 12 in this palette. I never keep any yarn that a yarn company sends me for free. I always buy my own yarn. I do not feel right keeping yarn that a yarn company sends me for free. And I know that they sent it to me for whatever reasons they had, but I never ever keep it. I always give it away in some form or another. So I am going to be giving it away in this video. Before I show the last of it, I did not title this as a giveaway video. So those of you that are watching, hopefully, you know, you're my loyal friends and that you watch my videos and stuff. So if you're looking, all you need to know is you need to just look in the description box, and it's going to tell you when it starts and when it stops. I'll pick a what day I'll pick a winner on and stuff like that, okay? And you'll win all 12 balls of this beautiful palette that is limited edition, and it's not even out yet. It's on back order until November, but you'll have it before anybody. After this, I give this away, I'm gonna order the palette for myself. I know that makes no sense. I just feel funny keeping yarn for free that I didn't buy myself. So anyways, I'll continue. But you do, in order to enter, you do need to read the rules. You know, and you need to make sure you leave a comment in the comment section. I want you to tell me which one of these is your favorite color, okay? And then whatever else you say, I don't care whatever else you say. You know, as long as it's nice, you tell me which one was your favorite color. And then in the comments, and you'll be entered to win. Douglas! Say hi! Okay. Okay, I'm going to show you the final 3 real quick. This one's called Empire. Love it. It's beautiful, beautiful mustard yellow. And this one is so pretty too. This one is called Marsala. Gorgeous. Very, very Victorian. I think the colors, I think, are very Victorian. Kind of like, Victorian is my favorite era. I love to decorate Victorian at my house. I don't know if you can kind of notice a few things in my house, but this last one I'm going to show you here is called Mist Flower. Beautiful, beautiful. They're all very pretty. It would be hard to pick a favorite. This one's a very like Victorian rose color, so it might be my favorite. I do like this one, the Marsala and the mustard color one as well, whichever one I said, the Empire. But they're all very pretty. So I appreciate you watching my video. I really do. I appreciate you guys who come back again and again and watch my videos. Those of you who watch my tutorials, even if you're not going to make the item, you still watch it just because you know how much it helps me. I appreciate all that so much. Those of you who watch my videos from start to finish, I appreciate that so much. That's all I could ever ask for. So I'm trying to get back the best way that I can. Now remember, I told you in the middle, you know what you have to do. So that's it. Remember, this is on Herrschners' website now, but it is on back order. So be the first to get that, I guess, other than me, unless any other well, I'm going to give it away. It's not mine anymore, but I'll buy some and I'll wait for it to come in November. But thanks everybody for watching. I'll see you guys on my next video, okay? Sorry about the mess back there. I'm kind of messy. I mentioned I'm a slob. But bye guys.